Alright, today we're going to be multiplying and dividing integers. So integers can also be multiplied and divided using an algorithm or a set of rules. Yesterday we used models, today we're going to be using algorithm. So multiplying and dividing integers. So when we multiply or divide the two numbers, if the signs are the same, the answer is positive. If the signs are different, then the answer is negative. So a positive times a positive equals a positive. A positive times a positive equals a positive. A negative times a negative equals a positive. And a positive times a negative equals a negative. And a negative times a positive equals a negative. So let's look at number 12. Number 12 says 6 times negative 5. So 6 is positive and negative 5 is negative. We have different signs, so our answer will be negative, and 6 times negative 5 will be negative 30. This triangle on the top of your paper have a plus sign here and two negative signs here. So this will show us that when we multiply a positive times a negative, we get a negative, or a negative times a negative equals a positive. So let's look at number 13. We have 4 times negative 5. So we have a positive and a negative. That means our answer will be negative. So 4 times 5 is 20, and we need negative 20. Number 14 says 6 times 5. Those are both positives, so my answer will be positive 30. Number 15 says negative 16 divided by 8. So we know we have negative 16 divided by 8. And we know that division just is the opposite of multiplying. So we know that something times 8 is going to equal negative 16. And if we have a negative divided by a positive divided by a positive has to be a negative. So negative 16 divided by 8 is negative 2, because negative 2 times positive 8 will equal negative 16. So now we have 28 divided by negative 7. So we know that whatever our answer is will have to be multiplied by negative 7 to get a positive answer. We need positive answers by having the same signs. So we know that a negative times a negative will give us our positive. So we need a negative answer. 28 divided by 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4. So we need negative 4. And now we have 6 times 9. Both of our numbers are positive, so our answer will be positive. 6 times 9 is 54. Alright, now we have negative 11 times negative 4. Both of our signs are the same. Or if we use our triangle, we see that a negative times a negative will give us a positive. So negative 11 times negative 4 equals 44. Now we have 80 divided by negative 10. So we know that we're going to be multiplying two negatives to get to a positive answer of 80. So negative 8 times negative 10 will be 80. All right, let's look at number 20. Number 20 says, Ashley and her sister decided to split the cost of dinner, which is $14. How much will each sister pay? So Ashley and her sister are going to split the cost, which is $14. So we're going to divide that $14 by 2 people. Our amount of money is positive. Our amount of people is also positive. So we have 14 divided by 2, and that's going to give us 7. So number 21 says, Alejandro sketched the model below. Which expression did Alejandro model? So we know we have 2 groups of -4. So 2 groups of -4 means 2 times -4. Our answer is C. Go ahead and glue these into your journals and give me a summary of what we learned in the video today.